Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can buy Spotify Premium using your Google Play balance. So the very first thing that you have to do is go ahead and open your Google Play Store. So from here, just tap on the profile at the top right corner. So once you do that, you will find a lot of options right here. So go ahead and tap on the payments and subscriptions, just right below the notifications. So after that, you will have here these options. So go ahead and tap on redeem code at the very bottom of the options. So tap on this one. And here you have two options. You can actually manually type here the code, or you can also scan the gift card. So do whatever works for you. And then after that, just go ahead and open your Spotify. And from here, tap on the premium at the bottom right. So click on this one. So from here, just go ahead and click on this try free for 1 month. Now, once you do that, you will have here to choose on how to pay. So go ahead and click on Google Play. And before that, you just have to make sure that you're using the email that you're using on your Google Play, the same email that you're using on your Spotify. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.